Samsung's wildest phone yet is no longer a rumor. It's coming for your tablet, your phone, and maybe your entire tech lineup. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. The highly anticipated Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung's triple folding 10-inch screen transformer, is inching closer to its US launch, and the latest leaks make it all but official. According to Fresh Tea, Samsung is actively testing firmware for not one, but two US models of the TriFold. First came the carrier-locked version, model SMF968U. Now, a new listing has revealed SMF968U1, the unlocked variant that Samsung will directly sell. This means that foldable isn't staying in Korea. It's heading straight for American pockets. What's raising eyebrows is the timing. Firmware testing this late in the year is unusual, especially since rumors point December 5th for the launch, which is just around the corner. But Samsung pushing two TriFold versions through testing at once shows the rollout is very real, very active, and very close. And the specs, they're chef's kiss. Leaks claim the Galaxy Z TriFold packs a 6.5-inch outer display and a massive 10-inch internal screen when fully extended. It'll basically turn your phone into a mini tablet with two quick flips. The cover screen reportedly hit 2600 nits of brightness, making it one of the brightest panels on any device. Inside, Samsung is expected to use either last year's Snapdragon 8 Elite or Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. If Samsung sticks to the rumored early December launch, we're just days away from learning the price and whether this superphone is the next big leap in mobile tech or just the wildest gadget of the year. Either way, the TriFold era has officially begun. Are you waiting for the launch? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.